Hello students, this is Dr. Anand Pai coming back with another problem in 1D motion, and today we are going to take a problem from Karnataka CET 2023. Let us look at the problem, right? So a body moving along a straight line with the initial velocity v0, its acceleration a is constant. After t seconds, its velocity becomes v. The average velocity of the body over the given time interval is. Now here, one of the things is that we have v square being seen, right? So we have to use something which has the kinematic equations which has these v squares into it, right? So one of the ways is, there are two or three ways in which this problem can be solved, and I will discuss two or two and a half types of methods. One is, when square comes, so we have to remember v square is equal to u square plus 2as. But what is average velocity? Average velocity is actually equal to displacement over time, right? So let us see what is the displacement. From this particular equation, we get S is equal to v square minus u square divided by 2a. And our average velocity v bar is actually equal to displacement over time, which is equal to v square minus u square divided by 2a divided by time, which comes as v square minus u square divided by 2a and time. And here in this particular problem, u is given as v0, so we can get v square minus v0 square divided by 280. This is the first method of solving, which is the easiest method. But sometimes people go in some other methods and get stuck, right? For example, one of the formulas we have for average velocity is u plus v or v plus u divided by 2, right? V plus u divided by 2. This is one of the average velocity we have discussed in our velocity video. Okay, so you can go back and see that velocity video. We have discussed this one. Okay, so now if this is given, how to get it, right? So if v plus u divided by 2 is given, now one of the things what is not there here is a into time, right? So we can multiply when you compare this with the equation here, v square minus v0 square by 280. 80 is missing, right? So let us multiply this by 80 and divide by 80. Now we'll understand that v is equal to u plus 80. This particular formula, I can know a is equal to v minus u, right? Sorry, 80 is equal to v minus u, right? 80 is equal to v minus u. So we can substitute that here. We can write v plus u divided by 2. Instead of 80, we could have written v minus u divided by 80. So this comes as a plus b, a minus b. So v square minus u square divided by 280. Here u square is, so v bar can be written as, instead of v square minus, instead of u, we can write v0 square divided by 280. This is another way of solving the problem. There are two ways. Another way is, we can always have the time versus velocity graph. Time versus velocity graph. We can say calculate the distance here as the area under the curve, right? So here we'll have this as v0, sorry, this is velocity versus time, sorry, this is velocity versus time. So v0 and this is v. The area under this curve is the displacement. So we can write displacement S is equal to ut plus half at square, or we can do like that, and we actually come back to this and then apply 80 and then solve it. Okay. So various ways of getting into the problem. It depends on what is your mindset, but one of the things that you should not leave in between. Okay. One of the things is sometimes we get stuck. Suppose we get stuck over here. We do not know how to go. See what is there in that particular equation, what is missing, multiply and divide, negate and add, such kind of, in a sense, such kind of algebraic circus we may have to do if we get stuck. Okay. So thank you students. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Wish you all the best. Happy learning.